Welcome to 201 Nob Hill in Worthington Woods subdivision, Valdosta, Georgia. On this perfect summer day with everything green, I felt like it was worth another look at this beautiful, oh look at that butterfly, at this beautiful new construction. This is not a new construction neighborhood. It is an established neighborhood full of people who take pride in their houses and their construction and maintenance. So here you can see a 2-car side entry garage and a separate 3rd-car garage there. All the brick around the foundation here. And a fabulous covered porch. Lots and lots of windows here. Light, airy, open, warm, inviting. Hello, we're home. Get that door closed. This beautiful custom engineered hardwood floor runs all the way through. There's no carpet anywhere. Beautiful vaulted ceiling, gas, fireplace there, and your open kitchen and dining area with that beautiful French door refrigerator that is already in. Comes with the house. I love all of this under cabinet lighting. So you've got this side here with storage. While we're here, take a look at the walk-in pantry. Back up, here's your mud bench when you come in from the garage. And put your groceries away. I love the drawers by your range. And I'm so crazy about this. Look at all of this side buffet. Look at all of that room. Right here, where of course, here's a chandelier for dining. And if this is what you want to use for your dining, do it. But you also have this front formal dining room as well. But it can be closed off. See those French doors? And see, you can close that door too with just a switch out of the chandelier. You now can have a library, an office, a playroom, a reading room, or a formal dining room. Now we're here at the front of the house. Across the way is the first of your guest bedrooms. Again, no carpet, beautiful vaulted ceiling. This is a bedroom because it has a closet for clothes, but again, very flexible. You want this one to be your office? No problem, you got it. We are walking straight ahead to the world's largest linen closet. Very impressive for whoever needs it with this room or with this house. And here is your full bath for that front bedroom and for any guests that come to the house. Because your other guest bathroom is a Jack and Jill. All right, beautiful. Okay, let's hit the primary suite, which is right over here. I love how there's some separation here with just this little bit of a nook. And again, no carpet, beautiful coffered tray ceiling. You are looking out on your completely privacy fenced backyard. We will see that in person also. And here is your primary bath. Let's see, how about here? There's a gorgeous soaking tub. Wonderful privacy window lets the light in, but not you out. No waving hi to your neighbors when you stand up from the bathtub. Or maybe you're going to be taking a shower here. That wonderful wand. And you can see you've got a bench there. So here is your first vanity. swing around on this side, you have a vanity and a whole column of storage shelves, your private water closet, and then your walk-in clothes closet. And I guess there you could wave hi to the neighbors. Maybe you want to get a little something for that window. I don't know. All right, back into the bathroom, the primary bathroom, into the primary bedroom. Now we've seen one of the guest bedrooms and the bathroom that opens up to the house, as well as for who was ever in that bedroom. So way over here on this side, we've got 2 more bedrooms joined by a Jack and Jill bath. So through this archway, here's the first bedroom. That window faces the backyard. There's its closet. And then we swing around here to the Jack and Jill bath. Nice transom window there. Tile floor. Looks like some rough-hewn barn wood, but it's tile. Double sinks there. Walk right into this is your 4th bedroom, right? Your 3rd guest bedroom. Double closets there. This window looks out to the side of the house where the garages are. Now we come back into this hall, and while we're here, we catch the laundry. Nice built-in cabinetry, a folding table. It's time to take a look in the back. You have this fabulous sunroom. What do you want? Another office or a playroom or a reading room, or anyway, whatever you want it to be. These tall French doors, you can cover them up if you want some more privacy, or leave them wide open the way they are now. But this is heated and cooled to be thoroughly enjoyed year-round. And now we go out to the screened porch. Let me adjust my lights so we don't get blinded. Step out from the screen porch to the open patio. So you've got every kind of consideration here, right? Sunroom, screen porch, open patio. Brand new, completely privacy fenced backyard. And I dare say you've got enough room here if you want it for a pool, right? I'll just keep walking backward a little bit so you get an idea of how big this backyard really is. Maybe. There you go. 201 Nob Hill.